today we're going to be installing the screen ProTech screen protector for our 2024 Mustang. The kit comes with everything you need to install. You don't need to go to the store and get anything because it all comes in this package right here. So right now we're going to unbox it. I'm going to show you guys all the great stuff that comes in this package. So of course you got here the fume, you got the squeegee and the cloth, and then they got the soap that's already inside. All you got to do is just add water and this system is ready to go. So all right guys, enough talking, let's get to it. And of course I got to give you guys a cold start, so here we go. Listen to her, it sounds beautiful. All right, now that all that's over, so now what we're gonna do now is we're gonna get all these fingerprints off the screen so it's absolutely clean. That's the first step you want to do to install in this system. So here I added the water. So here's our solution that we're going to spray on the screen and both on the fume to get the attachment nice and tight on the screen here. So that's going to be our next step. What you want to do is you want to grab the supplied mist that they gave you, squirt a generous amount on the screen, and then from there you just want to wipe the screen. There we go. Get it all nice. So as you can see on the pre-cut, you got the small side, then you got the big side. Of course, the big side is gonna go right here, and then the small side is gonna go right over here. So you can't miss it. You got the big side, then you got the small side. And as you can see, it's already pre-cut for both sections. So let's get to it. All right, so we're gonna spray the solution, a nice generous amount onto the screen, and then as we peel back the fume, we're going to spray solution to that also. Then from there, we're just going to match it on up and put it on the screen. It's okay if it looks a little rough now because we still got a lot of kinks to get out of it. And we can still spray some on there as we go. We're going to spray some on the outside also. Spray some over here. Alright. And then we squeegee. Alright, so what I did was I just applied another coat of the mist. Now I just got to keep squeegeeing until we're all looking good, which shouldn't take much longer. But there it is, it's all on. Just got to continue squeegeeing and cleaning it up. All right, so for the next piece, I got the squeegee inside the cloth. I'm going to spray some more mist on the screen to help it slide around. Let's spray some right there. And then we're just going to continue to bring the squeegee just around, getting all the little spots that we missed. So like this little pocket right here. See how we just tucked that in? And we're going to just continue going on. But look at that, guys. Looks amazing so far, doesn't it? So here we are, still toying with it a little bit, but overall, looks really, really, really good. Sun is behind me. I don't see any type of glare in it. I'm going to take the car for a spin around the corner so you guys can see just how good this is. And keep in mind, I'm not even done squeegeeing it just yet. And look how good that looks. I mean, you can still see the little water stains, you know, around here a little bit. But overall, I'd say great kit. So I just cleaned it up, and as you guys can see, it's still kind of drying a little bit, but it looks absolutely good. Again, everything is still very responsive. Everything works just like it should. No lag, no anything. Again, if you guys want this screen protector, please reach out to Screen ProTech. There's their Instagram, their YouTube, their Facebook, and their TikTok. 10 out of 10. I do recommend. They send you everything you need in this little packet here to get the job done, and so your screen can stay protected. No scratches, no anything, no fingerprints, no more. The biggest thing, guys, no more fingerprints. I mean, come on, what more could you really ask for? And also, no glare. I mean, come on, it's like glass. I mean, look at that. It's still in the process of drying, so I'm just gonna spray a little bit more on it. But I mean, guys, I mean, 10 out of 10, do recommend. I mean, no fingerprints, no nothing. Highly, highly, highly recommend this company. See, it cleans so well that you don't even see the screen protector. That's how good it is. I highly do recommend these guys, and they have earned a customer for life. I will be ordering one for my wife's car. Again, if you guys want to reach these guys, here's their info. Here's the Instagram, the YouTube, Facebook, and their TikTok. And also, guys, just for watching this video, I'm going to give you guys a special code that you can enter, and you can save some money on your screen protector. So that's just my thank you guys to watching my videos, and thank you to Screen Protect for sending out the great kit. Till next, you guys can see it has all dried, and it just looks phenomenal. Major shout out to Screen Protect. You guys make sure you click that link in the description below and order this ASAP. Must have system. No fingerprints, no anything. Very easy. Look at that. Night. It dried and it's fully clear. Great system.